Alrighty, we're going to show you how to take back control of your yard. You let it get behind for a few months, you didn't keep up with it, you had other things to do, right? Well, first off, get your mower deck raised up, or your blades, whatever, your wheels lowered. I guess on this one, it's lowering the wheels, which makes the blades higher. Get those up as high as you can for now. We'll be back in a minute. Alright, and after the first cut, now I know that the experts will tell you don't take more than a third of the length of the grass off at a time. But let's be honest, if your grass got this bad, you don't care. Okay, you just don't care. So you're not going to listen to them, right? So you're going to find on your mower, I want to mow this at the third notch. So I got 4 notches between where I want to be and where I'm at. I'm just going to lower it down by 2 notches. Because if I know if I go down to where I want to be, this thing's going to shut off. Okay, it's going to overheat, and it's going to shut off. I'm going to have to wait 10, 15, 20 minutes for it to cool down enough to get started again, which is fine. That's how I'm going to do the rest of the yard. I'm going to do other things while I'm waiting. But, you know, of course, for this video, it's going to lower it down 2 notches. Hopefully we'll be able to get this little section done, and then we'll lower it down again to get the rest of it down. You might not be able to notice much after the second one. Okay, now that we got that done, we can go ahead and lower it down to the other trees I want. To get her down to where I want her to be mowed at. Then we'll hit her again. Now the rest of it on the side, okay. Weed eater, I mean, if I had my weed eater out here today, I would definitely use that. I'll let someone borrow it, so I don't have it right now. That's okay, whenever they bring it back, I can just hit it with the weed eater real quick. Not a big deal. Some of the bigger stuff over there, a shrub or maybe a tree. Probably have to get the sawzall out with a chainsaw or something to cut it down. But for now, it's fine. It's not going to hurt me in any way, shape, or form. So we'll get this last bit done, and you can see we took control of this section of the yard at least. Got a big section back there we still got to get control of. A whole bunch of tree limbs I got to cut up and everything else. So. She ain't perfect. But she don't have to be. Now if I can just keep up with it.